Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and in this section. So guys, today in this Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and in this section today what we are going to learn is very important, and that is resource. Okay, basically we are going to see Azure resource terminology, okay, and where we have resources, resource, resource group and template. It is a big topic, but I am covering this in 2 or 3 videos separately, so there should not be any confusion. Okay, because what I see is like if 20 people has watched my video and the length of that video is 10 minutes, so average it shows me 1 minute. In 1 minute I don't think somebody can learn something. Okay, I'm not sure about you guys how superpower you have, but that's not the right way. You should go through each and everything, make a note, then only you can learn something, and rest of is up to you and God. So guys, this is very important. From here I'm sure 2 or 3 questions will be coming, because what I have seen I will tell you. I have faced few questions from this topic, so that also I will be sharing in this. So guys, let me begin with the very first one. So you can see here there are lots of things. Okay, one is resource, one is a resource group, one is resource provider. So we'll see one by one. So first of all I'm going to talk about uh, resource. Okay, so guys, if you are a new to Azure resource manager, if you are a new guy, uh, there are some terms you might not be familiar with. Yes, if you are a new, then definitely you need to learn lots of things, and if you see there will be lots of things, so all those things will be new for you, so you need to learn those things. So the very first one itself is resource. So what do you mean by resource here? So guys, a manageable item, it is a manageable item that is available through Azure. Okay, you can manage this item and it is coming through Azure. Some common resources are just like virtual machine, storage account, web apps, database, and virtual network. What there are many more. So one is very simple. I hope it is very clear. What do you mean by resource? Resource is nothing but it is a manageable item which is provided by Azure. Okay, example you can see from here. So this should be your note. You should not just listen and feel like, yeah, I learned this and I became master kind of thing. So it is up to you. We can just give you guidance, that's it. Next one is guys, resource group. Okay, what do you mean by resource group? So resource group is nothing but it is a container, okay, that holds related resource for an Azure solution. So it is a container. For example, this is a container. It will have all the resources you are creating for your solution or Azure solution or your requirement. Okay, the resource group can include all the resources for the solution or only those resources that you want to manage as a group. Very simple. If you want to keep certain things inside this bag, you can keep. It is up to you. Okay, and I hope this is also very clear. It is a container basically. Next one is guys, next terminology is resource provider. So resource provider is a service that supplies the resources you can deploy and manage through resource manager. Very simple definition here. Resource provider is a service. Okay, and each resource provider offers operations for working with the resources that are deployed. And you should make a note of this one. This much is sufficient to understand what is a resource provider. Resource provider is nothing but it is a service that supplies the resources you can deploy and manage through resource manager. Okay, and next one is, let's see. So guys, you decide how you want to allocate resource to resource group. It is up to you based on what makes the most sense for your organization. Okay, it is also important, and this is part of resource group. Okay, this one. So it is depend on the requirement of your company how you want to allocate resources in resource group. Apart from this, the next one is uh, this part of this. Some common resource provider are Microsoft. Okay, we are learning Azure, so Azure is from Microsoft. Compute, which supplies the virtual machine resource. Okay, and Microsoft Storage, which supplies storage account resource, and Microsoft Web, which supplies resources related to web apps. Okay, so this is one part, guys. This PPT got messed up actually. So this is one part. Okay, and this is one part here. This one. Apart from this, we'll see about resource provider little more. I will tell you example and all in next slide. So as of now, I'm going to tell you template. So guys, what is template? What do you mean by template? So it is a JavaScript subject basically. Okay, JavaScript object, not subject. A JavaScript object notation file that defines one or more resources to deploy to a resource group. So it is a file basically, JSON file we call it. Okay, JavaScript object notation file that defines one or more resource to deploy to a resource group, and it also defines the dependency between the deployed resources, and the template can be used to deploy the resources consistently and repeatedly. So we use it as you can say blueprint kind of thing. I am creating one template and I need same sort of configuration in a machine, a virtual machine I need to create, so I can deploy with that same kind of configuration and multiple virtual machine in single shot. So that is all about template. Okay, apart from this, there is a declarative syntax with one more topic here. So what it is actually? So guys, syntax that lets you state, here is what I intend to create without having to write the sequence of programming commands to create it. Okay, and the resource manager template is an example of declarative syntax. In the file, you define the properties of the infrastructure to deploy to Azure. Okay, and resource provider, one more time I will give you little more information about it. So guys, each resource provider offers a set of resources and operations for making with an Azure service. For example, if you want to store keys, okay, if you want to store keys and secrets, that is your credentials, you work with Microsoft Key Vault. Okay, resource provider, you are using this one as a service, and it is a resource provider. You are using this resource, Microsoft Key Vault resource provider. Now what will happen? This resource provider offers a resource type called vault. Okay, vaults for creating the key vault basically. And how it is? The name of the resource type is in the format. You can see here, this is resource provider slash then resource type. The example is here. The key vault type is Microsoft.key. It is a resource provider. This much. Microsoft.key vault, and what resource you are using? Vaults to keep your secrets and passwords or keys and all. So guys, this is what I just wanted to discuss in this video, and if you feel it is informative and good for you, so be with channel, subscribe, share, like and comment, And in next video I'm going to discuss about create resource group and considerations. This consideration is very important. Even if you are appearing in examination of AZ-900, there will be a two question definitely from this consideration. So it is up to you what you want. And apart from this, we will learn about create Azure Resource Manager logs. Okay, what are the role of logs here? So this is going to be covered in next video. So guys, do subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.